Metal water pumps are built for strength, durability, and reliable performance in tough conditions. Whether you need a pump for home use, farming, industrial work, or emergency water transfer, the best metal water pumps deliver powerful flow, long-lasting construction, and dependable operation for years of use. Starting at number 1. Acquaer Portable Water Transfer Pump. The Acquaer Portable Water Transfer Pump is a powerful and secure electric pump designed for easy portability and multi-application use. It is made of durable metal volute and has a portable ergonomic handle, making it easy to carry and store. With automatic thermal overload protection and sturdy metal connectors, it ensures your safety while providing stable performance that extends the service life of the pump. It comes with a 6-feet elastic suction hose, water suction attachment, and impeller replacement kits. The non-submersible water pump is self-priming and easy to operate, making it perfect for aquariums, rain barrels, water beds, flushing water heaters, and other housework requirements. What we like: easy to operate and user-friendly. Portable and durable. Stable performance with automatic thermal overload protection. Number 2. Acquaer 840 GPH Brushless Cordless Water Transfer Pump. The Acquaer cordless water pump offers a powerful brushless motor that moves water quickly, with a flow rate of 840 gallons per hour and a maximum lift of 38 feet. You can easily adjust the speed with 3 flow settings to suit tasks like gentle watering or fast drainage. Its extendable aluminum body lets you reach different depths, making it great for various containers. Plus, the pump automatically shuts off when water is low, protecting the motor and extending its life. Designed to be fully waterproof and certified for safety, this pump works well even when submerged. It runs on DeWalt 20V batteries, giving you long-lasting power for your water transfer needs. What we like: high-efficiency brushless motor, adjustable 3-speed flow control, extendable aluminum body, automatic shut-off protection, waterproof IP68 rating. Number 3. Lewisia 15W Solar Aerator with Battery. The Lewisia Solar Air Pump offers 3 different modes, letting you choose between strong airflow, gentle bubbles, or a cycle mode that alternates on and off. This flexibility means you can easily adjust the aeration to suit your pond's needs. It features a powerful 15W solar panel, which provides more air than many other models, ensuring your fish get plenty of oxygen. Thanks to its built-in 4,400 mAh battery, the pump continues working for up to 110 hours even after the sun sets, so your pond stays aerated day and night. Plus, with 2 air outlets that can connect to 4 bubble stones, you get wider air distribution for healthier water conditions. What we like: 3 adjustable modes. Powerful 15W solar panel. Long-lasting 4,400 mAh battery. 2 air outlets with 4 stones. Number 4. AquaMiracle AP80 Linear Air Pump. The AquaMiracle AP80 pump offers powerful air output with a 40-watt motor featuring a full copper coil, helping you save energy while ensuring efficient performance. Its multi-layer noise reduction design keeps operation quiet, so you won't be disturbed by loud sounds. The aluminum alloy housing helps the pump stay cool by dissipating heat effectively, which means it will last longer without overheating. Plus, the durable sulfurized rubber diaphragm ensures consistent air delivery and a longer service life, so you can rely on this pump for your pond or hydroponic needs without frequent replacements. What we like: high-efficiency copper motor, quiet multi-layer noise reduction, aluminum housing for heat dissipation, durable sulfurized rubber diaphragm. Number 5. Lewisia 5W Solar Fountain Pump with Battery Backup. The Lewisia Solar Fountain Pump offers a reliable water feature solution for your garden or pond. It includes a built-in battery that lets the pump keep running for up to 2 hours after sunset, so your fountain stays lively even when the sun goes down. The metal bracket gives you 2 installation options. You can place the solar panel on the ground or mount it on a wall, making it easy to find the best spot for sunlight. With a powerful 5W solar panel, it provides stronger water circulation compared to many other pumps. Plus, if you ever need a replacement pump, you can easily order one separately to keep your fountain running smoothly. What we like: built-in battery backup, dual solar panel mounting options, powerful 5W solar panel, replaceable water pump,